Any problem in painting, you can call me, or you can call one of my instructors. I want us to put the baby pink, eh? Take your time and then put the baby pink slowly. You are putting pink here, and then you say here. Yes, you are putting pink. Where you wrote baby pink, you put pink. Eh? Ladies, happy Women's Day. I want us to paint. Eh? Please, I want us to paint. Eh? Happy to see you again. To see you ever and be. I want us to paint. Put the baby pink. We said in case you find a challenge anywhere, you can call me or you can call one of my instructors. We have an instructor managing you. So you can call one of them or you can call me.
How do you reach
out? Don't be shy. Don't be shy, please. Are we done cleaning? Are we done cleaning? My team, should we continue? My team, guys, should we continue? I want us to finish. I want us to finish the background. Should we continue? Yes. Very good. So I want us to clean our brushes and then we're going to come to orange. When you look at your canvas, I'm having orange in the middle. Let's clean our brushes and then you come and put orange in the middle like this.
Please, you can tell that the brush is clean. It looks clean when you put it in water. Are we together? When you put the brush in water, it looks clean. Are we together? If you don't have serviettes, please raise your hand.
I want us to put the orange. I want us to clean our brushes and then we put the orange. You're drying the brush. That's very good. That's better. For those who are done putting the baby pink, I want us to clean our brushes and then we come to color orange. Baby.
Yadola baneyo mani abakulimbalimba bosi wesikwa apenzi ya mapenzi baby, mapenzi yote sio wakuta. Mapenzi baby, mapenzi yote sio wa kweli. On the levels of the house, thank you, man. Oluvanyuma, oluvanyuma, mapenzi kasineme oluvanyuma, emoyo zimyansa fetuliza mbala, iyatula murato oluvanyuma, omumbeta wange ng'olitaka.
Alright, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. It's evening, awesomeness, freshness, uniqueness, wardrobe extra misono, streaming live from Bukoto, Central Park. Guess what? The boss Mike. Today, tuli ku MKadogo events eza art. Weesiga, bwerabako, and of course ekyo ekikunyumira mu mutima gwo kyosiiga. Simanyi ki kyonna gwe kyojja okusiiga ali yandaba from abroad n'abali wano ewaka, and of course gwali eyo kikyoyagala osiiga. My producer, gwoyagala siiga ki? Buli omu ayagala siiga ki? The boss Mike is still catching the vibe, and of course freshness, UBC, Star TV. Leero tuli wano. And of course soke tubawe fashion news, because this is also the fashion news. Best paint and chill party event esoose okuba yakabi eri large, wide, fresh, ng'eriko buli omu ng'ayambadde bulungi, anyirira, yeeyagala, yeefaako. And of course why not? Tedwe tusazeewo tubabaleetere buli omu atubulire lwaki ajja ku party eno, lwaki ajja attendinga, main focus ki emuleeta, and of course kyekyo ekimuzuukusa ne kimwagaza okujja wano. Byonna mu byonna tugenda kuba tubituusaako. Let's link up and of course enjoy more of this. The music yoli yennyini ali great. Tandikire ku bano. Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
You good?
Very good.
Greet to our people who are watching live right now.
Hi.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
People are asking, why are you here right now? Apart
Paint
from
and chill.
being paint and chill. Cheche cha kumotivate nze noga no, I should go and attend.
I've been coming for paint and chill. I don't know since when. I love art as a person. And it's something that the place itself, it introduces you to happiness itself.
So what are you going to paint?
I'm not sure what we're painting today,
But
whatever comes.
everyone who is watching you be sensitive.
Please come for paint and chill. Come enjoy yourselves. Come eat your money. Life is short.
They might tell you the same way, I like to spend a lot.
Life is short. Please come and eat your money.
How are you?
I'm good.
For you work with these beautiful ladies who come to do this.
Yes, please.
Chi basically ekikunyumira you as a person.
Nekinyumira okulaba nga our clients are happy. Yeah, because we make sure we give value for money. Yeah.
Of course, we're to Lwalero for now, and of course, a lot of people. I think my producer, you can show the people abali wakabalaba, beautiful ladies, awesome, fresh ladies abali wano. What I've realized, they mind about the fashion sense, the hairstyle, the glasses, and of course the makeup, the beauty of it. Should I? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
What motivated you to come apart from paint and chill?
Basically, to enjoy myself because it's Women's Day, so it's like a reward. Yes.
What are you going to paint apart from what they are going to give?
What am I going to paint?
You would wish.
If I would wish, I would literally paint my life. I would love to paint how successful I want to be. Yes.
In a brief 30 seconds, Chisige mumu as you're talking.
I'm going to be a boss lady, very rich, with a very rich husband, a very beautiful family. Yes.
Wow. I wish to so kambatwaleko kubalala wano bababuzeeko. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are
good?
you? Yeah.
What motivated you to come?
I love to celebrate myself because as a woman I have also accomplishments that I've made in my life. And celebrating myself would be a good thing. And this would be a special day for that.
Hey, how are you?
I'm okay.
Happy Women's Day.
Thank you.
Are you a woman? Are you a lady?
I'm a woman. Yes,
People are now asking me, she's a lady or a woman?
I'm a woman.
What motivates you to come and, and join this?
First of all, I love hanging out with my friend. And I also love to celebrate ourselves as women, as ladies. Yeah. And then I love painting. Yeah.
You did painting on high school or?
No, it has always been an inner thing that I like to do on a regular basis or just once in a while. Yeah.
How can someone be with a friend for a long time? What can you do?
Communication. As long as they communicate, keep in touch, and hang out, sacrifice some time for them. I think that's the key to all friendships.
Hey, how are you?
Hello.
You're looking fresh.
Thank you.
What made you to dress like this?
Just to have fun, because I know there is karaoke, and karaoke means dancing. So I just want to have fun.
Just want to have fun.
Yes.
How many editions have you attended?
None.
This is the first one?
Yes, please.
So you're getting to experience?
Yes, please.
What are you expecting? If we were to predict?
Fun.
Fun.
Yes.
Shout out to the people who are watching.
Oh, hello. Happy Women's Day, ladies who are out there. Please, next time when this is announced, come and join. It is really good.
All right. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Into the color I love most.
Oh, thank you.
Greeting to our people who are watching UBC and Star TV.
Hello, everyone. Happy Women's Day.
Yeah. Why you chose to come here? Because it's a Women's Day, you would have gone somewhere else.
We are celebrating each other the way we've come.
How many?
We are three.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we are celebrating each other. That's why we chose to come here. Yes.
Why you decide to come with your friend? You would have gone with someone.
I don't have someone.
Someone.
They are my someones.
Why do you know?
Pardon?
Why did you come here?
I came to be celebrated. Yeah. They are celebrating my belated birthday.
Oh. She has a birthday. Come closer. Tumuimbira akayimba. Let's sing for her.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Laika. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, beautiful lady. Why do you choose to dress like that?
I feel comfortable. Yes.
So, and in this color, eh?
Yes.
Some ladies, this is between me and you now. Some ladies there, they bleach. You, why are you not bleaching?
I feel confident. I feel confident in my skin color.
Okay.
And I feel like it's better to avoid problems like cancer.
Of course, thank you too. Of course, we're still streaming live from Bukoto Central Park. Paint and chill, Wanowetuli, and to entire world who's watching from the diaspora, and of course here national, we're going to enjoy this paint and chill with Andre artists. And of course, don't forget, if you want to feel fresh, feel enjoyable, the best wine I can recommend to you is Bella Wine. Bella Wine has a different brands. There is this what we call Royal Dry Red, and of course there is what we call Sweet Wine and Hibiscus. All in all, we're streaming from Bukoto Central Park. The boss Mike. Of course, ngawe tuwabagambye tuli wano ku Central Park as we tuli Bukoto. And today nsanze a beautiful chocolate lady. Ye first time yo kujja wano. Njagala tubuzeeko atatubulire lwaki yaze, and of course yakimanya atya. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Wayagala.
Yeah.
First, greet to our people who are watching UBC Star TV.
Hey, you all. Greetings from this side, Central Park, Bukoto. Yeah.
So, what made you to come?
Yeah, we saw the adverts on TikTok, and then I also wanted to come and see how things are made and enjoy the time. Yeah.
So, what's your best color as a person?
Red.
Red.
Yeah.
Why red?
I just like it.
Just like it.
Yeah.
But today you're in purple, my best color.
Hey, it's your best color.
Purple, blue, and maroon.
Me, I like red. It's my favorite, but for the attire, I just chose it. Yeah.
Have you ever did that or do art in high school?
Art, yeah, I used to do art in my O level. Yeah.
So when you come here and do this, what comes into your mind?
Maybe the memories of my high school. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Of course mwe n'abatulaba mu diaspora abali ebweru abali mu nsi ye Uganda wano tuli ku Central Park. Atamanyi Central Park soko directing bulungi abantu before even nga tonna babuuza kuba ekintu kyanyumye kibanyumidde bakyewuunya abamu it's their first time.
Kati Central Park oba directing nga nva wandoza tandikire abantu abava Ntinda sides eyo. So bobo ova Ntinda abasinga bamanyi Kabira Country Club. So awo kiririra awali chacha wali ebitale ebyo nobiyitako ebitale ebyokubiri wotandinga on your right side. Ekyo ekikuba bakita Old Kira Road. Obanga dda ku Nup offices netotuukayo awo makati awo era oba otulabe ekipande wekiri.
Olwaleero wetuli and of course tuli n'omu kuba artists abali abategesi b'ekintu kino kyonna basically. Tuwa CEO wa brand eno. Basically omuntu ali yatulaba ayagala okumanya. Gwenga gwo muntu atyo jjo muyingira mota in brief with time.
Brief. Nze nganze ndi artist kuva buto era nakola diploma mu industrial art and design. So nze kenyini ndi artist, nze kenyini ndi masterpiece wa art. Yes sebo.
Muntu mutu.
Yes sebo. So nze CEO wa Paint and Children Andeli Arts. Yes sebo.
So omuntu ali ayagala okumanya basically about this beautiful thing like this. Andeli Arts. Otandika jolooza ku idea ngeno.
So twasoka ne Andeli Arts. So Andeli Arts is an art company. Ngabwe nkuganya nakola nasoma art. So nali ndi awo nga ndi artist. Ngabo gira Andeli Arts tudiringa mbintu bya art byokka. Art pieces kusiga mayumba, masomero buli kimu. So mukubeera nga tulowooza ekyo lockdown nejja. So mu lockdown when nanoonyeza ekintu bwekite kya Paint and Children ekitandika sebo. Yes sebo.
Edition esooka wagitandikirawa era wafuna abantu bameka?
Edition esooka bisesa nenge edition esooka enza okuba yatwala emyaka 2 nga nkola ekintu kino abantu nga tebakitegeera. Emyaka 2 miramba lockdown nenge ewedde emyaka 2 nakolera Ntebe eyo naye nga ebintu si birungi paka sawa ya leero bekituuse ne kifaanana bwekiti nenga tubaddemu jasa abantu tebannabitegeera bulungi.
Tewagwamu maanyi.
Sagwamu maanyi sebo. Myaka 2 after myaka 2 wentanko kiraba mpola abantu 2 3 4 5 6 bweto bwetuzze so tegekera ddala abantu abanje. Yes sebo.
So eno edition yesoso kuba nejjula bweti.
Ned edition endala nyingi Valentine twakikubira ddala abantu banje ekivulu ekinene nga kya art. Main issue ya art yali nti okuleeta sente buli kaseera ng'ogyeko orders, ng'ogyeko sites, ng'ogyeko ebintu ebirala ne it's a daily income. Ate n'ekirala nga it's an art therapy etuuza wansi ebirowoozo omuntu lwateeka brush ku canvas kale eyo ne brush entambula gyetambula tuzita straws za brush zina engeri omuntu nga bawuliza music zina engeri kyezimukolamu muntu yenga ye kintu ne kibanga yenga ye awulira bulungi ate nga bawuliza ne ka music.
Kati omuntu ali atulabalaba UBC ne Star TV agala okumanya basically bwe muntu bwajja n'asasula ng'akyagadde naye nga tamanyi kuba art ye mumukolera mutya?
Kakati ebintu byaffe tolina kubanga omanyi art. Tubaawo ne ba main instructor mu audience betuyita ba instructors ba art bo baba bakulagirira kuva step by step. Tufuna theme y'olunaku bweba Women's Day era tutambula mu Women's Day, bweba Valentine era tutambula mu Valentine, bweba Independence tutambulira awo. So tujja tukyusa themes esokuba about nature, esokuba about life, esokuba about still life. So tujja nga tukitambuza bwe tutyo. Nenga ekintu nange kyangaziwako nga simanyi twesanga nga mu weddings tufuna weddings sebo Paint and Chill, bridal showers, baby showers, birthday parties. Abantu tebakyagala kujja buzi kutuula kusala keeki kudda waka, baagala ekintu ekibatwaliriza nga bebanyumirwa. Okitegeera kugirako ka karaoke ne kugirako kunjiba kunyumirwa kwokka nenga still mu art tetuvaamu. Yes,
twogere ku edition ezize zibaawo. What is the main focus eya Andli as a brand? Ekirooto kiri kitya mu future?
Kati ekirooto nze mu future, ekirooto kyange njagala kulaba nga nkubira ddala ekivulu ekinene nga bolaba abayimbi ba BOBIWINE nga bolaba bakubira ddala ebivulu ebinene. Okitegeera so nange njagala kwerabaawo nga ntuziza ekivulu waba Lugogo, bwaba Nambole nga kivulu kiri bwe kiti nga kiri bwe kiti nga kya art tutadde screens zaffe mu maaso instructinga ku screen yesebo wenerabaawo
basically awo wenyini wenjagala nti government yavaayo neteeka bilioni 5 bilioni 28 mu ba visual art njagala twongera okutanya ku nsonga eyo gwe okyogerako ki
munnaye baziwa olumu abantu abakyamu ffe ba stakeholders nga gye tuli abantu abatuufu kino ekintu kyekituufu kyekirina okutwaliza oba kyetuyitira ddala ati omutuufu nti kigasa buli muntu tekigasa nti ono nooli main issue yali eno nti twatunuulira art pieces za bbeeyi mu kubeereza bbeeyi twayagala omuntu ajje ayeekole art piece yadde tamanyi ate ng'anyumiddwa ate n'akitwala ng'ekijjukizo ku Women's Day nakola ekintu bwe kiti ku Valentine nakola ekintu bwe kiti okitegeera so kyekintu bwe kiwe kitambula
so omuntu ali eyagala okumanya tusuubireyo nga bwe tulaba ewa Kenzo ku Federation nti buli lwakubiri babaayo as paint and chill with the brand and Lee ebaayo buli luvannyuma lwa ddi
ffe tetujja kugendayo nnyo kubanga ffe nga ffe ndoza tebatutukira tugezaako banoonya naye ndoza tebatulabawo ffe nga ba fine artist naye nga ffenna ffe batwandibadde abantu abali inclusive kuba naffe tuli oba kiyite ntya bo bali they are performing artists for us we are the fine artists bintu yaffe they are hands on yeah so bwekyo bwe kibeera naye nga events nyingi ezijja mu maaso Heroes Day gyeziri, Easter gyeziri, Independence Day gyeziri, Christmas Festival, tutegane ennaku endala naye nga tulina ekintu kye tukola mu maaso awo ekijja kyenyinza okunnyonnyolamu kati oba mpadde akakisa so essaawa tulina ekifo kye tuli mu kutegeka mu ku designinga ku beautifyinga nga it's only art nti okuviira ddala ku gate paka wooyingira olaba art yekka waba mukulu mwana muto mukadde waliwo okutunga waliwo okuluka waliwo okusiga ebifaananyi waliwo okubumba nga bw'obirabye wano tubumba tusiiga naye kiri main kati wano just twakola partnership n'aba Central Park ne tutegeka ne twetaaga ekifo government yandibadde
this is a national broadcaster
so government yandibadde evaayo netuwa ebifo netugamba kino ekifo mbawadde kyamwe ba artist kikulaakulanya mu ngeri nti abantu nga bwe bati bajja ne bawummulirawo oshegera mu city tetuyina bu gardens abantu mwe bayinza tuyina oshegera tuyina ka Jessica KCC ewali garden kamocha ako tekamala twandibadde nabugundi nga 10 abantu bajja ne bakiringa bwe bati ne basiiga akafaananyi nawumulizaawo ebirowoozo n'ebyo n'ebintu tetulibalazi
I think on that topic tujja linkingamu ne ministry ya trade and of course
art atambulira abantu wangi kyonna kye tulaba it's art buli kimu kye tulaba n'ensinga bwe tugiraba etambulira ku art
kati paint and chill ebeerawo buli lwabaayo event ey'amaanyi nga Women's Day, Heroes Day, Independence oba erinayo mu buli Sunday oba buli lwakubiri
essaawa eno tulina every weekend Saturday ne Sunday tubaawo wano ku Central Park Bukoto Saturday ne Sunday tubaawo wano ku Central Park Bukoto tutandika essaawa 8 zennyini tubaawo wano just there are mini events kuva ssaawa 8 paka ssaawa emu naye nga mega events zibeerawo mu public days nti zo there are mega events tukomya abaklasi baffe abadde bajja emabega abapya n'abakadde nga babanga bangi naye nga mini events tubaawo buli Saturday ne Sunday yes
twogere ku entrance and of course omuntu alina kujja na biki ebyetaagisa bw'aba ayagala okuparticipatinga n'okujja
kati entrance just tusasula emitwalo ndooza gibanga mukaaga egyo tolina kyojja nakyo just kubaako art materials kubaako instructor kubaako ka karaoke koosiiga nga bw'owuliza ka music then bwe bityo bwe kitambula
singa omuyimbi agamba I would love to come and perform you give him a chance or bwe muba mumwetaaza asobola okujja oba just bya karaoke byokka
okusingira ddala mu luyimbi tetulina buzibu twagala nga bwali art twagala ekintu ekiri live nga omuntu just ayimba ku kiriwo yadde oluyimba we luli naye nga alblendinga n'ekyo kye tuliwo essaawa eyo yes bwekyo bwe kitambula.
All right, of course your last message to the government and of course n'okwongera okikola
message yange esembayo nti but creating ebifo byaffe nga ba artists tulina ebintu bingi bye tusobola okcreatinga n'ebisikiriza batuwalisa okuva bweru ne bajja muno tubeeramu n'abazungu tulina booking nene y'abazungu era still bali bantu nga bo balaba bayingira bantu bangi bajja yesebo
basaponsa wafunye oba
sinaba kufuna ekintu kino tebanakitegeera naye nga amaanyi tugayina
Nze nganze MC John Pone entire management tusazeewo officially tujabeera ba partner media partners and of course njaleta ne company endala tusazeewo ne company endala nyongero bakola on behalf muje mu paint and chill with and artists. Enamba yesimu abantu bwabaya
namba yesimu ndoze namba yesimu eri 075 05 mukaaga asatu Airtel njiddamu eri 075 500 mukaaga asatu then M10 eri 0782 ekajide mu Luzungu I think it's 0782 70 47 67. Yes sir.
Social media handles oba omuyina ne office oba
social media handles it's paint and chill with Andeli Arts. Andeli Arts yeri yonga yo ne paint and chill eringi yonga yo nenga Andeli Arts yasooka so kubeera nga ndi artist then nenyamba za kino kubeera nga ndi mukusiiga kyempulira nenjagala n'abalala nabo bakiwulire.
I had a feeling mundowooza nti I've ever invited some ministers but guests abenjawulo nga main host guest
tetubafunanga maybe abamu bayinza okuba tubafuna naye tubafunira mu parties obo birthday parties Nyamutolo nali mukoleddeyo ku birthday party Kenzo nali mukoleddeyo Farida na Kazibe nali mbakoleddeko naye tekinaayo kumanyika nnyo naye nga mwetuli
tujja kipushinga naye yanza okwogerako nawe nja kuba nkunoonyaako and of course jjukiza abantu buli Saturday ne Sunday kuva ssaawa emu mpaka
tuchaika saa 8
mpaka ssaawa emu. The Boss Mike fe tukyaliwo tukyabalambuza abantu ab'enjawulo and of course nyongero balaga abantu ab'enjawulo the beautiful ladies. How are you doing?
Hello, hi.
To our people who are watching you.
Oh, you're all welcome to Sip and Chill.
What made you to come?
Yeah, I just love the vibe here. It is all a chill one. Yeah.
Where you coming from?
I'm from Mutundwe.
Mutundwe.
Yeah.
To here.
Yeah.
Wow, they love. How did you get to know this?
Through a friend, my friend, she's Lydia on the other side. She has ever been here, so she advised me to join, and I really don't regret being here. Yeah.
So every time you'll be coming, this is your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time.
How do you feel now?
I already feel that thing. It is a vibe. You can all come and join. Yeah.
All right. Nchabalambuza abantu ab'enjawulo n'abintu eby'enjawulo njakuba mbatwala wonna si to come. And of course nakoze ne Karim ku kamera gyali and of course my producer Mr. Kisubi Jackson n'abali mu control room fe tukyeyagala tukyanyumirwa. You can see the behind karaoke vibe fun and of course fashion sense. Why not? Otini Star, the man himself, styled me and make me feel fresh.
Omukwano wegutyo okwagala omuntu kuba wansi abamu betulabeyo oyagala omuntu abatamwagala afa kimu kukombanya nga bwe watonda bigwa totabukantawa nendooza kugala gakukwana suubiza mbitoliba mumanda kula mukwano nayo